hell I'm on.
Shut up.
What's up, YouTube? I'm back. You know what time it is. It's Sunday, and we finna get this rating video on the road. Man, I've been promised this video like 9 weeks ago, to be honest. 9 weeks ago. It's been a while. So, first of all, sorry for the delay. I had so much stuff going on. I got so much content to drop. My car is coming together perfect. Matter of fact, it goes in for paint in the next week or so. So, we're gonna see how that goes then. The Project 2 valve, that thing finna get on the road. And we finna get this thing rolling. So, we're gonna start with Fast and Low 5.0. What's going on with you, bro? First of all, I'm gonna say you got the cleanest S197 I've seen. Okay, we're gonna start with your pictures. See what you got. See what you got going on. See what you're working with. It's pretty much stock looking. You know what I'm saying? Pretty much stock looking. You got a front splitter. I don't know if those are Belgian wheels or KMC wheels, or I think they may be Nietzsche wheels. I think that's the name of them. I think those are Nietzsche. And got silver, my favorite color. Nobody can go wrong with a silver Mustang. You know what I'm saying? Nobody can go wrong with it. Nobody. So the car is boosted. Look like it may have a Paxton. I think you said it had a Paxton. We talked a good bit. It's bagged. Everybody loves bags. It came a long way from being stock. Jesus, it came a long way from being stock. I'm gonna give your car a 10 of 10. Just because it's bagged. It got some nice wheels. I mean, it's pretty much a basic car. I'm not gonna say basic, but simple. You know what I'm saying? It's simple. Simply put together, and it's put together well. I mean, it's not off the wall. It's not trying to be off the wall, and I like it. So 10 of 10. We're gonna move on to Mad Slow 5.0. I forget the name of that blue. I want to say Deep Impact blue. I could be wrong. You got a 2013. Yep, Deep Impact blue. No, or is it Do It Yourself blue? Nah, Deep Impact blue. I think. I could be wrong. Let me know if I'm wrong. Okay, first of all, looking at your pictures, I'm gonna tell you straight off, you need to lower your car. Like, bro, why is your car sitting up like a 4-wheeler? You need to lower your car, bro. I mean, other than that, man, the car clean. When you first got it, I don't know why they put them wheels on there. Them wheels was ugly, man. Look like you had a GT before that, a black one. What happened to it? Let me know what happened to it. But anyways, I'm gonna give your car 7 of 10. I think you need some more mods. You need to lower it. First and foremost, you need to lower it. You need to get you some stands, boy, going on. Maybe that's really about it. Lower it, it changed the look of it completely. 7 of 10. So I'm gonna move on to Twisted 50_50 Davis. You got a 2020 Mustang GT Twister Orange. So first of all, I'm gonna come straight off. I'm gonna say your car is pretty much stock. All besides the wing spoiler. I don't know what y'all call it. I call it 2 different things. You got a Corsa cold air intake. So you may be making a little bit more power. You may be Lund tuned. I don't know if you had to be tuned to get that or not. So I'm gonna get your car. Let me go back. I'm gonna give your car a 7 of 10. I mean, the car clean, don't get me wrong. You got the front grille stuff going on. I mean, you on stock wheels. You basically got a entirely stock car. You got the tinted tail lights. You got the interior pieces, which is pretty nice. That's a nice touch. You definitely did something then with that touch of orange in the inside. That wing, that's nice. That wicker bill is nice. I think you need some wheels, maybe a cowl hood, front splitter, and to lower it down, and your car be perfect. Plus you got a 6-speed. You got your man pedal. You're a real dude. So, alright, we're moving on to Chris SVT. Man, this is my favorite car in the world, man. I love these cars. My mama had a car that looked exactly like this one when I was a little boy. 1996 laser red Cobra. 3878 out of 7,496 made. Okay, you got something really ain't too many people really got, and it's still clean. You know, you really don't see too many 96 Cobras that are still clean and in good shape. Your car is clean, the interior clean. From this video, the paint, it looks pretty decent from these pictures. Man, just because this car is so old and it's still so clean, I gotta give you a 10. I gotta give you a 10 just because it's so old and so clean. If you ever want to sell that car, let me know. Inbox me, let me know first. I got to have that car right there. So we gonna move on. Full bolt-on Flexo, FBO Flexio. You got a 2012 full bolt-on glass roof premium. CEO of Stack of Stars. Local slow car. Okay. Cool. Go through your pictures. You got a nice little hood thing going on right there. I think that's a Rouse scoop. Neck collector. I guess you say you break necks or whatever. Okay, cool. Okay, then you got the S550 headlights going on. Really ain't too much more. Like you got a front splitter. You got some wheels. That's a nice roller right there. Them wheels, I don't know why you did them wheels. I want to say those American Muscle wheels. I could be wrong. Maybe it came with them wheels. Well, I'm gonna give your car a 7 to 10. The car clean. I don't think you can go wrong with this car at all. How it's set up, but the wheels, I don't like the wheels. And I think it needs to be a tad bit lower, just a tad bit. So I'm gonna give you a 7 to 10, and we gonna move on to the next person because we still got a good bit of people to go. So 4.6 Gold Rush, Nebraska Mustang. You got a Gold Rush Mustang. I think that's the name of that color. And you bad. Look at you. 2010. 2010, the first year, the new S197 body. The car clean. I never really liked that gold color. That's just my opinion. I mean, I can't say what nobody else like. I really never liked that gold color because it was always kind of weird. But you really make it look good with all the details you did up under the hood. You got a cold air intake. You got some pretty nice wheels, SVE. Like the same wheels that was on the last car. You bagged, but I'm gonna give you a 6 or 10. Like I said, I don't really like the gold. I think you should do another set of wheels, maybe a hood, and that'll be it, bro. You'll be golden. So we gonna move on to S4.6. It's a 4.6. This is my second time rating your car. And I think I gave you 9 or 10 last time, 10 or 10. And ain't nothing gonna change. The car clean. I never liked these bodies, this body S197, the 05, the 09. I never liked them. But your car, I mean, it's simple, it's set up clean. I know you're not bad, but you may be on coilovers. But that's super low, like you may be on an 18-inch tire, 19-inch, something like that. It's super low. It look good, you have fun with it. Like you got this slanging it now. Calling it little love taps. Ain't no damn love taps. Your car look good, man. I'm gonna give it the same rate as last time because ain't nothing changed about it. So, moving on to Perry 5.0. You 24. King Mountain, North Carolina. I'm in North Carolina right now. You probably won't see this video before I leave, but whatever. GT500 rep wheels. I think those are them wheels. They all black. You got this black on black theme going on. You could never go wrong with a black on black car. Those taillights, they look good, but that bottom piece, they could have did away with that bottom piece that they did. So I'm gonna give your car an 8 or 10. That black on black, all black on black cars look good. And I don't know what kind of horsepower you made. Let's see if it video play. Wait. You may be boosted. I don't know. I know it's loud as fuck. Okay, 8 or 10, car clean.
Hey, show Taylor's on and a whole lot of.
I don't know if you boosted or not, but the car definitely sounds like it's making some kind of power. So, moving on, S197, Jesus, or Jose, or 98, bro, I don't know your name, bro. You let me know what your name is. 2011, like you got a couple things going on up under the hood. Well, like you really just took the cover off. You ain't did nothing. You put a cat up under there. So you remove the cover and install the cat. That's incredible. Got some rotors. Look like you had some black wheels on there. You should have kept them black wheels, bro. What happened to the black wheels? Maybe that wasn't even your car. Whoever car that is for clean. That black on black. Pretty much stock in this last picture I seen of it, so I gotta give it a 6 or 10 just because, I mean, it's really not much to the car. It looks like how it came off the showroom floor in this picture. Besides the wheels, those are stock wheels. So I gotta give it a 6 or 10. Yeah, 6 or 10. Relo 5.0. Ruby red with a carbon fiber hood. Super dope. That carbon fiber make everything look good. I really wanted to go carbon fiber on my hood, but I ended up buying just a regular hood because I'm a broke boy. I can't afford no damn carbon fiber. How you get a carbon fiber stock hood like that? That look good. Okay, then of course the screens. From the looks of it, you got a wing, you lowered, you still on the 19 inches. I did those same wheel on my S550. After a while, front splitter, that may be stock. I forget how they look. I forget how the front splitter look. You got a wrap roof. Car pretty clean, man. I think you should do another set of wheels, maybe bronze, some bronze wheels, maybe bags. Some more go fast parts. I really don't know what's done to it, but I'm gonna give you an 8 or 10, man. The car look good. I can't knock it. That ruby red is one of my favorite colors on the S197 besides ingot silver. And that's pretty much it, man. I'm out. I catch y'all next Sunday. I promise not to take so long with these videos. So tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to inbox me on Instagram at S197Ken, and I get them on the next video. We'll make it happen. So like, subscribe, comment, and hit that bell so you can get all the notifications next time.